Okay, everybody, today is the 20th, I think, or the 21st. It's 12/22. It's Friday, whatever day that is. Anyway, so softly raining at the shop, and then of course when you get anywhere near the Marshall Steam Station, it's always a downpour. Well, why is that? It's because it's making the weather. So what they do is they dry us out. We haven't had a rain like this in a month or two. Okay? So now, whatever they're dumping out of here, they're using a lot more water. They're injecting a lot more water up into the atmosphere. Oh my God. And you know it's been raining heavy for a long time because the water is puddled up on the road. So you can see the steam station here barely. We've got brand new tires too, and it's still a little squirrely. Yeah, so they got this thing running wide open, man, just bellowing crap into the air. So obviously when you continually pump that much water vapor up into the atmosphere, it's going to cool and it's going to fall down, and that much of it's going to pick up steam, shove a big wall of air in front of it, you know. Oh yeah, they got this thing snorting, all three pipes wide open. Now, I think they must have wet surface air coolers running wide open too. Oh yeah, this thing's horrible. So, it's 12/24 and it's dark out, right? But yesterday, it was dark out, but there was no rain. Okay, so don't think they don't know what they're doing, because they most certainly do. They're making the weather, is what they're doing. This is isn't really hidden either. They don't deny it. Well, some of them will. Anyway, I'm going to run up to the Apple Data Center in Maiden and see if their wet surface air coolers are firing hard, and see what's going on there, because they got some monsters there. All right, I'll be back in a little bit.